Farm Animals quiz. Try to guess which animal I am. I'm a farm animal that runs very fast. Humans used to use me for transportation. I'm a horse. I'm the most well-known farm animal. Humans use me for my warm, soft wool. I'm a sheep. I live in the coop and I'm a bird. Humans love my eggs. I'm a hen. I am related to horses, but I am smaller than them. I have long ears and big eyes. I'm a donkey. I can wander the desert without water for a long time. I have a hump on my back. I'm a camel. I have webbed feet and a beak. I can live anywhere where there is water. I'm a duck. I have long ears and soft feather. Kids love me very much. I love to eat carrots. I'm a rabbit. I'm a large mammal. I love to eat grass. Humans drink my milk. I'm a cow. I am one of the first domesticated animals by humans. I have a beard and I love to climb. I'm a goat. I have a long neck and a small head. I live in South America. I'm a llama. I'm a loyal friend of people. I love and protect them. I'm the most loved pet in the world. I'm a dog. I'm a fat animal that likes to eat. I have long ears and an upturned nose. I'm a pig. I'm a bird discovered in the American continent. I look like a chicken, but I'm bigger than them. I'm a turkey. I am very important for the nature. I carry pollen from plants. I make very good honey. I'm a bee. I'm a rodent pet. I look like a rabbit. Although I am a rodent, I don't like to gnaw. I'm a guinea pig. I'm a furry animal that has a long tail and sharp claws. People feed me in their homes. I'm a cat. I am a very noisy big bird. I can live on land and on water. I am like ducks, but I am bigger than them. I'm a goose. I'm a cute little bird. I have bright yellow feathers. I can sing very well. I'm a canary. I am one of the most graceful animals. I have long ears and big eyes. Kids know me from fairy tales. I'm a deer. I have a long leg and neck. I look like a llama, but I am smaller than them. I am an alpaca. I am the largest member of the deer family. I have beautiful horns. I am a moose. I have a very strong beak and colorful feathers. I am a very intelligent bird and I can talk. I am a parrot. I am a bird that can be found all over the world. In the past, humans sent letters with me. I am a pigeon. I am the tallest living bird after ostriches. I live in Australia. I'm an emu. I look like a chicken. I usually live on the African continent. I have mottled feathers. I'm a Guinea Fowl. My eggs are the biggest eggs in the world, and I am the fastest running bird. I'm an ostrich. I am one of the cutest baby animals in the farm. I have yellow feathers. I am a chick. I'm a small rodent. I have a very cute face, but people are afraid of me sometimes. I'm a mouse. I am a small bird with brown to bluish gray feathers. I also have a fancy plume of feather on my head. I'm a quail. I am a large mammal and I live high in the mountains in very cold weather. That's why I have thick fur. I'm a yak. Thank you for watching this video on Kiddopedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more animal quiz videos.